Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to cover the basic difference between the louvers and the grills. बहुत सारे builders या architects, they choose louvers, and especially, in the southern part of India, they are majorly, liking louvers, and though it's a conventional product. So when I talk about the louvers, it's like the straight liners, which are being used conventionally from last more than a decade's time, and there are three different kinds of louvers. There are, MS louvers. There are aluminium louvers, and also there are UPVC louvers. So aluminium louvers, MS louvers and UPVC louvers are the three major kinds of louvers which are primarily being used at the moment. So definitely first let's take up one by one. So when we talk about the aluminium louvers, so definitely yes, all the louvers they have a standardized look, and so are the aluminium louvers are. They have a standard liner kind of a feel, and it does not gives the building a kind of a feel which is very matching and yelling up to the theme of the project. Whereas when we talk about the grills, you can customize it in any design. So definitely that is a very big advantage which is there when we choose a grill over the louver part. Then when we talk about the aluminium part, there are aluminium louvers specifically, there are issues which we have observed in bending. We have a case study wherein the builder they have used in Noida aluminium louvers, and after that they had to use replacing them because of the bending problem. They had to use our grills. So definitely bending is another portion, another part which turns out to as a disadvantage for aluminium louvers specifically. Then the another point is the strength part. So aluminium louvers, they do not have that much of strength when we compare it to the GRC, when we compare it to the MPC grills, and specifically when we talk about the wind pressure, then definitely yes, because the perforation isn't there, and they are locatedly straightened. So what happens is that they are not able to take up that level of wind pressure. उतना wind pressure जो aluminium louvers हैं वो नहीं sustain कर पाते at the complete high rise. जबकि in case of MPC grills up to 3 kPa का wind pressure MPC grills हैं वो easily ले लेती हैं, absorb कर लेती हैं. तो ये एक major difference था between aluminium louver and MPC grills. Now when we talk about the UPVC, so definitely yes, UPVC का और MPC का जो core composition है वो definitely दोनों polymer based products हैं, दोनों ही PVC based products हैं, तो इसके अंदर कहीं bending का issue नहीं आता है. But yes, the major disadvantage of UPVC louvers vis-a-vis MPC grill is फर्स्ट इज ऑफ द स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड लुक. मतलब एक बिल्डिंग आपकी, बिकॉज लूवर्स के अंदर एक स्टैंडर्डाइज जब एक लूवर्स लगते हैं, एक स्ट्रेट लाइनर्स लूवर्स लगते हैं, तो वो एक बहुत एक कन्वेंशनल, एक बहुत ही स्ट्रेट लाइन लुक देती है. और आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचता कि आप डिजाइन्स के अंदर कस्टमाइजेशन करके अगर फ्लोरल थीम है या स्पेनिश थीम है या रोमन थीम है, तो आप उसके बेसिस पे, प्रोजेक्ट की थीम के बेसिस पे ग्रिल्स के डिजाइन्स को चूज कर सकते हैं. बट दैट ऑप्शन इजंट देयर इन यूपीवीसी लूवर्स. देन द सेकंड पॉइंट इज that the installation time and the fabrication time is more. Then the third point is the cost part. Cost MPC grill से UPVC louvers की ज़्यादा आती है. तो यही तीन फैक्टर्स हैं जो डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं between the aluminium louvers and the MPC grills. Then the third major point is the MPC louvers. They are not exactly louvers, but I would say it's just the strips. People use MS railings, or the louvers particularly. They design it in a way that it looks like a louver, but that is like a very conventional product. और हम सबको पता है कि MS is not exterior friendly product. वो rot भी होता है, waterproof भी नहीं है, और कहीं ना कहीं वाटर प्रूफ इन द सेंस कि वाटर से उसके ऊपर रस्टिंग होती है, चाहे हम जितना मर्जी उसके ऊपर प्राइम कर ले, पेंट कर लें. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, दो इट इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस्टिंग, इट इज अ कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट, बट येस, इट डज नॉट हैव a good shelf life like MPC grills. Second, it's not a maintenance free product. You have to repaint it again after every couple of years. And the third point is aesthetically, आप एक grill के अंदर जो एक customization design की कर सकते हैं, वो आप definitely louver के अंदर एक MS की के louvers एक straight line look देते हैं, और वो एक aesthetic design aesthetics जो है उसके अंदर नहीं आते हैं. I think so. Now from this video we'll be very clear whether we are talking about aluminium louver, UPVC louver or mild steel MS louver. We will be very clear with how and why we have to choose MPC grills as a product which is far better in terms of when we're using louvers in our group housing projects or institutions, whether for shaft covering application or for elevations. So it's a much finer and a better product.